Hey, Daddy.
Hi, this is Aubrey, and today, what are you going to draw?
I'm gonna draw a bird.
And who taught you how to draw it?
Ryan.
Brian taught you how to draw it, okay? Brian taught her how to draw something last week, and she's going to show us. So go ahead and begin now. Okay, first is what? Tell us.
The eyes, the nose, and the mouth, the wings, and the other wing, and the feet, and the other one.
Okay, and that is how you draw a bird in about 15 seconds. That is very pretty. If you see, guys, she's going to erase it and do it one more time. First, you draw what? Two circles. You gotta talk, and then what?
A mouth, this, and wings, and another wing, and feet, and another one in here.
Okay. You guys got it out there? This is how you draw a bird in about 15 seconds. You want to do it one more time just for the audience?
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Uh-huh.
wait, hold on, wait. Okay, now show the kids how to do it. Tell the kids how to do it out there. Say first you do what? Okay, that's fine. Come on.
Uh, okay.
First what? Tell them.
The, a circle and another circle
Okay.
and two small eyes and and a nose and a mouth and hair and this and wings and another wing and feet and another one and there.
And there. Okay, everybody. This is what's your name? Is it Aubrey the Paubrey or Aubrey Princess or what is it?
Aubrey and Christian people.
Okay, say your name one more time.
Aubrey Christian people.
Okay, also known as what? AKP?
A AKP.
All right, also known as AKP. She has just drawn a what? Is that a bird?
Yes,
A bird for you guys. You got anything else to say before we tell them bye?
I don't want to say bye.
Well, what do you want to say?
I wanna say hello.
Say hello.
Hello,
Say Kia ora, everyone.
here or everyone.
Now don't say kids, you can do it.
Kids, you can do it.
That's right. And how old are you?
5
No, you're 3.
and 5.
She's 3 years old and she's drawing this, so she's 3. I know
And
that other 3-year-olds can do it
wait. Let me
too.
get the questions.
Okay.
Uh, Today I'm gonna draw um um a bird and a flower and the sun.
Okay, we'll do the flower next. Now tell them bye and we'll do another one.
Bye.
See you guys. Wow.